Alright, we're back. I'm muted. So anyway, I was saying, we're back, finally, after a very long wait. Now, this is where I realized that I'm not gonna generalize, but my brain really works with associations, because when I was preparing for the jam, I had this huge urge to go make an iced chocolate, which was what I used to drink when I was participating in those jams this summer. So yeah. I think I did link this in the Discord. Oh, there are messages. Fastest word. Yep. Oh, what's the neighbor? I was actually coming live. Wonder how it jam? Yes, that's noted. Okay, cool. Alright. I'll just keep an eye on the... Oh well, I'll have to... Let's see. Let's make it this way. Because I gotta make sure that... I'm not 100% sure that the next music is not copyrighted. So we'll have to see what YouTube has to say about it. It shouldn't be copyrighted, because if they did, if they do copyright this music, it means that you basically can't play Teamfight Tactics without getting your channels, well, copyrighted, infringed, whatever it's called. So, yes, while Hyper Gamedev is doing their thing, we can start by opening something in there. So I think, if I remember correctly, that... Oh, come on! What's this? Oh! Okay, well, I'm not gonna update. Do we... Okay, there's not even a search up thing in there. Creating something. Let's see. Godot 4.4. And... Jam 25 to 21. Compatibility, create. I think I can fetch my Sable stuff. Let's see, document, Godot, Sable stuff, game container. So I copy this. Oh. Then I go to 4.4, jam, paste. Paste? Paste. Sable stuff. Sable stuff! That's gonna be pink. How's the sound going? Minus 35, that is good. Oh well, we have quite a few things in there. Game, clock, instruction panel. I don't remember how this works. Not gonna lie. Header text, body text. Okay, cool. Game over panel. Do we have something to put there? Game over, back to instructions. That's kind of weird. Nah, it's maybe... probably makes sense. Okay, so maybe... Oh, what? Oh, it's okay, it's at minute 5. Are those quacks? I can't see the name. Give me the name of those ducks. So yeah. I have this, I have the clock label. Is it connected to the clock? Yeah. It's actually pretty cool. I mean, I did that pretty well. Oh, I hope it's not gonna be a sound screamer. Be careful with the 3 minutes mark. The sound could be slightly loud. I don't know. Now, for real, for those who played the set 10 from Teamfight Tactic, it was really great what they did with the music and stuff. I really miss it. There's voting in the topic channel. Yeah, I'm not doing cats again. Okay, so we're waiting for Hyper Gamedev. Gonna be fine. I have no idea. I remember doing a cupping game, but it might have been mouse. Huh. I'm not sure for this one. Oh, I actually haven't visited my HRIO for a very long time. Duck. Duckten game? Duckting game? Here's the jam page. Let's join! Can I create something new? Yeah. Title. There we go. H1H. What is that? I actually forgot to ask the cat here. No, that's fine. Be careful for the jump screen scare. Not really jump screen, but sound jump scare. Like, I'm just gonna refresh to be sure. Now we're fine. Oh, there we go.
Come up with a topic for this week's jam. We've been doing this every Friday for a while. This is the 6th last one. I said that last week, but I meant this week is the 6th last. It's hard to say. There's 5 more left.
Okay.
Not 10.
Feedback's fine.
5 more 1-hour game jams left, so I'm super excited to give it my all and have fun with it. This is a wild thing we've been doing every Friday for about 2 years, and it is coming to an end because we've got a new game jam, the Game Life
2
Jam.
years for real?
About it. I'll tell you guys about that in a second. For now, we need to come up with a new topic. Oh my gosh, in 2 minutes. Let me check the chat to see what top suggestions we have. I'm gonna put them up on this wheel. Hopefully you guys know the rules. Check the description box to
That's a
find
sneeze.
those out if you need to remind yourself. But this wheel right here, I am gonna add
Oh, the coins, I don't know what the coins are.
We had one that I saw, correct me if I'm wrong, and there's more, that a member suggested. There are 4 slots on here that are guaranteed. Lost at Sea was recommended by a member in the Discord, so we're going to add that one on here. The ones with the coins are not guaranteed. If it lands on a coin, that means a coin flip minigame is going to happen. And if that coin flip minigame happens, it is not an iterate jam, Richo. No, it is not. If a coin flip happens, that means there's a 50-50% chance that it's going to be the topic that's on the wheel. If it's heads, it's that. If it's Tails, I get to pick the topic, and I'm gonna pick an old topic that we haven't used, but we've been meaning to use. All right, so that's how that's gonna go. Let's get the suggestions.
Oh, did I
from
actually?
you guys here. Let's
I
see,
thought I muted,
Space.
but I
Oh,
didn't.
good. I'm
That's
happy
fine.
to see Space on there. Let's go. I like how that one's just basically guaranteed, because that's pretty much what I'd pick anyway. Let's see. We got Alive from Andy the Fancy. I love it. I love it. Remember, members get on guaranteed the first 4 member suggestions. That is, there's 4 themes. Lost at Sea. Oh, Dungeon Martian. Mod extraordinaire. Thank you. Okay, Doorways. Love that. These are guaranteed superpowers. Dude, you guys are amazing. Cat? Cat? I don't know about cat, you guys. Cat? I can't do a jam about cat. We've done so many things like cats and dogs. I'm gonna reject that one. I apologize. I want these to be the best they could possibly be. Let's see. Yeah, we did cat and mouse. We did so many. Like, I love cats, but we've done so many cat topics before. Let's see. We're running out of time. It's gonna be less than an hour for everybody. I should have suggested a duck theme, Red Duck Universe. Duck. Oh, that's a pretty good one. All right, duck. That's gonna be
Okay, so well,
last member suggestion. I like that one because that could be like nice one. Okay. So we're
lacking themes.
More left.
Go away.
Well, I'm sad
I don't know.
Flame. And then at the same time, I'm so ready to move on to the Game Like Jam. I'll talk more about it in a bit. Yes, let's do it. These last ones should be the best ones, right? Okay. Let's see. Running out of time. I know, I feel like we've actually already done that for this exact reason. So, and Jack, I'm gonna reject that one only because we've done that one, and ones like it because of this exact situation. Coin flip. All right, coin flip.
Yeah, I'm definitely not inspired.
Flip on the coin flip. All right, we need one more. Growth. Have we done growth? I don't know if we have done growth. That sounds kind of unfamiliar. Oh, reflections is a good one, Raphael, but growth got in there first, so we're gonna put growth in. Okay, spin it! Is it gonna be a mini game coin flip or not? It's not! Superpowers is the topic, y'all. That's it. It's superpowers. Get your jam on, baby. Topic: superpowers. Superpowers. I mean, it could be superpower or superpowers. I kind of would rather it be superpower. I'm gonna call it superpower, because then you could do superpowers if you want. I like superpower. So it says superpowers. Why is that kind of a fun word to say? Superpower. Soup and power. Okay, here we go. Superpower. Putting it up in here.
Okay.
I don't know how many more times I'm gonna say it.
So
it isn't a word anymore to me. Okay, there we go. The topic is set. No going back. The wheel has spoken, everybody. All right. Now, I need to come up with what That's how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna sketch out my idea.
all right, we're kind of ready to go, right? So I'm just gonna mute this. Do I keep that on the side to see the time? Yeah, we'll see time this way. Superpower games. So right now I'm thinking, okay, for the last jam I did record sounds for Liz if she had time to put them in her game, which there was not. But I still have the sounds, which are basically pew pew sounds and bonk sounds. And I almost feel like it's something that we can reuse. Superpower. So maybe we can do some kind of, because, okay, it's like going to be very inspired. Like, let's be honest. User interface. Do I have to put? I don't remember how this works. Main scene pack, clock, trigger time. What's this? Trigger time. What is that? I don't even remember what my own template does. If trigger time, else time progress. Okay. So it is a timer. Alright, we have a timer. We can have a timer duration. Okay, and we can choose to have it or not. Okay, that makes sense. This interface. Okay. What do we have in there? Just this. Cool. Did I lose the chat here? Is there a way to get the chat back? Live chat. Open panel. Ah, give me the chat. I know I don't have the chat. So, the thing is that I could be doing a kind of a shooter game. I've never done a shooter game really, but I can try. Let's see. Oh, wrong thing saved. What if I create a 3D scene? Okay. That's gonna be the world. And I have a, let's add a CSG. Let's add a CSG box. Yep. Scaling. How do I scale this? Can I? Oh, I'm thinking Blender here. Oh, found watching 2 streams at once. Okay. What if I do that? No. So okay, so this doesn't exist. Oh, maybe this way. Yes. Okay. This arrow won't go away. Oh, there she is. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't care actually. Yeah, this way. This is how you make a world in very quick time. So is that a superhero you're having? Oh yes, it is. So if you were here last time, I don't know. I'm gonna make something which is kind of actually quite similar to what Liz did the last time. Flip faces, use collision. Kind of aim and shoot. We're gonna have. Let's try. Okay, so this is the world. I'm gonna save this seat. So by the way, you will be able to see the game container I created for jams. Just basically this thing, right? We have a game, a clock, a few instructions, game over panel, and we can trigger what we need to trigger. Okay, so what if we create an enemy? Nope, 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 nope. What if we create something like a 3D? I'm gonna change that to CSG. CSG sphere. Okay. Material. New standard material. Something like a Godot. And yes, something like this. Okay. Sphere. That's yeah, that's simple. So we're gonna create this sphere. What do we have? Like node. Oh yes, we have the collision, but we don't necessarily have collision signals. So what if I create something like a static body, and this is the same thing, like mixing roots. No, This doesn't work. Ugh. That's kind of sad. Okay. What if... Right. Visibility change, we have nothing else. That's very sad. But what if the projectile can trigger a method in the object? So it is a static body or an area. Let's have area. Area 3D. Okay. And here we're gonna add a mesh instance. Area 3D, body entered. Yeah, we can do that. Body entered. And here we can grab the enemy. So sphere, we're gonna create a script for that. We're gonna make theme root, delete, okay. CG sphere 3D, let's go. And there will be enemy. Are you playing? I mean, making a game, Pal? You might be actually busy, like, having so many things going on. Making a game, 2 streamers at once. I so don't remember how to code in GDScript, it's crazy. Okay, so we're gonna make this sphere die by disappearing. Property, object self. Let transition to circle. Right, I'm gonna wait that to be finished. And we're gonna queue free. Maybe we're gonna go with game. Increase score by 1. Or by, okay, health, variable score, okay, no, increase by score. Alright. So this is an enemy. And this script actually I could use in different enemies, right? Speed RGD, yeah. I'm gonna cut this. Oh, what happened? I'm gonna cut. Nah, I'm gonna leave this and I'm gonna reuse the script. That's not mine. Nobody's gonna judge that. How do I know? Okay, let's make the camera 3D. Actually, do we need a ground? Maybe not, right? Like, what if we... let's put the ground. We're gonna add everything to the scene. And... okay, let's just run this. We should see something. Yeah, sort of. That's good enough. Or... yeah, maybe this way is gonna be better. I don't know. So what happens if I add this scene to my game? That's the real question. Because it's meant to work with... okay, we have a kind of fail. Which is kind of weird, but... maybe I can inspect this. Okay, what we have game. Oh, is that the user interface in front? Yes. That's it. So I have to... yeah. Let's add a margin. Box. And some labels. Let's add a few margins to this. Ah, that's big. All right, and actually, yeah, let's not make this a container, I mean a panel, or theme styles style empty. And let's just make sure that we don't block the mouse. Ignore. And even this, right? Mouse. Ignore. Yes, label, they ignore. Okay, fine. Now let's try to add a sphere to this world. Now add a sphere. Yeah, let's have a node. Enemies. Okay, what do we have? What if the camera is actually... on top? And the objects do kind of move around like this. Let's see, let's try to move the sphere. Okay, so enemy. Maybe we can export those two variables. And that we can change them easily. Actually, I'm gonna cut this. Create a script. Scripts. A new script enemy.jb. Cast this we save. Oh, the problem that is a CSG sphere. That's kind of a problem. What if it goes like with a static body 3D? Okay, and this we actually delete. Let's remove sphere altogether. And sphere, world game, blah blah blah. Okay, we'll create a static body. So mesh 3D, mesh, sphere, okay, collision shape, sphere, okay, mesh, material, we're doing good. Okay, that's better. Sphere, static body. Okay, we gotta save that first. Do we have that sphere? And movement. Okay. Function, physics process. So red axis, I think. Yes, X. Divide the move speed. Maybe run F range. I don't know how this works. F range from, I don't know, 5 to 10. So velocity. I think maybe we don't. We just need to move and slide, right? Move and collide. Let's go with move and collide. Oh, it is static body. Okay, so position.x plus equal delta multiplied by move speed. So world. Oh, is that the correct sphere? I'm not sure. Oh, that's kinda weird. Okay, what if the camera is not here? Okay, it's something like this. That's probably fine. Let's try to see some values. What is this transform? 13, 8. Okay, so we can make a check for the enemies. Like in this script. We can check every frame, right? If position dot x, no, absolute of this. We delete the item. Yes, okay. So that's a progression. Alright, so we got the sphere and we got the damage. Cool. Signals maybe. I think I need to make an attack, right? It makes sense. So that's gonna be an area 3D. Area 3D. Gonna call that the view. Mesh. Mesh instance. Capsule. Yes, seems correct. Scaling. Can we scale everything at once? Let's not bother. That's gonna be the pew. Can I make create collision chain? Oh no, try mesh. Create collision shape. Single convex. Wow, that's so big. Okay, let's not bother too much. No, you know what? I'm gonna create a collision shape. I'm gonna create a capsule. And we're gonna scale that. Well, spine is slightly bigger. So I don't know how to make particles, so... Oh, it's problem because it's a scale. So I need actually to change the size of it. To change the size. Transform. Yeah, no, that was good. Ah. Material. Albedo. Something yellowish. Yeah, something like this. That's a pew pew. That's a pew. So we technically have signal body entered connect. So if the body is enemy, do this, else Q3. So I'm gonna make a check, like process exactly like the other one. So if absolute X or absolute Y. Oh, Z actually it is. This should take care of the pew pew disappearing when they leave the area. The thing is that I kind of want to grab the vector from where the player clicks. We're gonna create a power variable. And we're gonna have like a power up. So I just need to find a way to send my object when you click, and that it catches the direction of the cursor. That I don't really know how to do. So what if I create a kind of when I click somewhere, can I get the position of the click? Like this CSG box. What if I remove this thing and replace it with another static body? Brown. Add shine. Mesh. Oopsie. Slightly too big. Let's go with 1313. And this object, for some reasons, maybe I can... Because there's this input thing, I think. Input event. Made it when the object received an unknown position. Yes. This. Okay. So we're gonna use the world here. Okay, we're gonna create a word script. Round. So in the ground, very world. Export that. This way we can grab it. Boop. There we go. And we should be able to use this input event. Connect. On ground input event. Camera. What is the position? Transform. Zero, -2, -7. Alright, so bar origin vector 3. Or is it positive or negative? It's actually positive. That's the origin. So we create a vector. Event position, okay. So variable vector, vector 3 is equal to event position minus origin. Vector dot normalized. Okay. Now I should be able to go to the pew dot 3D. Direction. So that returns a pew. vector 3 for the direction. Physics process. We're gonna move that. So it is direction multiplied by her sphere. So let's try to invoke this. Function summon Pew with a direction. So Pew. Instantiate this Pew. Two directions, go to direction. This one's fine. And let's see, well, add node 3D. No, 3D. Okay, we add the Pew like this. Let's just unready. I don't know. Can I work with that? Like, does it do something? And starting. Nope. It doesn't do anything. Because the input is maybe blocked. Or maybe it's just I don't use it. Ground? Wait, what? Okay, I'm not gonna question this. I'm gonna summon Pew with the direction. Oh, wait. Look at this. I mean, I misdid this. Okay, so this should be fine for the sphere. Because it did work. Okay, it did work. Okay, back to Word. No, we're not summoning anything. So let's see, input, let's grab this. Hmm. But the event position, like that's the thing. Let's try again. Okay, so we're good. Except that for some reasons, it seems like my pew is not really spawning. Remote, world, pews. I don't know. We cement something? Yes, direction. So instantiated. Is it saved? That's the thing, right? I don't know why it doesn't show. I'm gonna change the color of the ground. But yeah, it should spawn something. Maybe it's just like spawning behind the camera. That would be weird though. Like... What if I invert this? That's the thing, right? It doesn't seem like it's even added to the world at all. Or like maybe is it because of this? It's because it's auto-destructed because of the position. 027 pews. Nah. So I don't know. Because we do correctly go there. See members. Pew. Direction. What if I go in there and see when Q freeze? Oh, is it because of the normalized not working? Oh, maybe that's the thing. That would make sense. Okay, so here. That's probably the problem. Yeah, let's Mm-mm. Let's try again. They don't move. Physics, process, position, plus equal. And the rotation isn't right, but that's fine. It's not the most important thing. Why are they so fast? Direction? It's supposed to be normalized. Appearance, shape. Vector. Can I have vector? Vector. Yes, it's supposed to be normalized. It's just so fast. For some reason it's super fast. Oh, because it's in the wrong side also, maybe? But that doesn't fix the speed, right? Hmm. That's like... Oh, maybe I forgot delta? Yes, I forgot delta, maybe. And then are they going in the good direction? For some reason, maybe the inverted direction was the good one. Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't work anymore. So, okay, let's do that differently. Let's do this differently. So if the event is... It is a mouse button. Sorry for that. So we damage by power, right? So we should be able to destroy it if we're super fast. Power is... Okay, power doesn't exist because of game. That transcends null value? How is that null? Oh, is that because of modulate? Yeah. Modulate probably doesn't exist for this. Inspector, visibility, yes. So technically I should be modifying the transparency. Oh, yikes. I'm gonna ignore that. I'm just gonna queue for it then. Too bad. That was a nice try. Okay. Oh, by the way, did it increase the score? Yes. So we're gonna remove the pew. That's too bad. And we're gonna create new enemies. That's probably the way we're gonna go. There's static body 3D. Let's see. We're gonna add Shino, Mesh. Prison. Do we have Pyramid? So that's going to be triangle. I'm gonna add Shined. Collision Shape 3D. Prison. No, it's a work. Oh. Too bad. We're gonna do it the lazy way then. Simplified conics. Yes. Triangle. Oh, what? Mesh. Albedo. We're gonna try to give it a different movement. Uh, 10 to 25. I'm gonna go with inverted as well. Bible, inverted, boolean. This seems correct. So what is in enemy, what is in... Okay, so this... Okay, let's go back to triangle. process physics. So, position plus equal delta move speed. Is that even a thing? No. There, yes, position minus equal delta move speed. I'm gonna copy this for the other one as well. Function ready. If inverted, position dot x minus position dot x. This should have its on a different side. Okay, so this should go in the enemy's crit, sort of. But I'm gonna copy this because that's easier. Collision shape? No, right there. Okay. So inverted. Let's make the sphere able to be inverted. And a triangle. I'm gonna try something like I don't know. Oh. I want to use sinuses, but like I'm probably not good enough in mathematics for that. Position but y minus position dot x plus 3, multiply this by 2. Oh, this is gonna be so weird. Let's try that. What is its position right now? Minus X. Okay. So, let's see. That's pretty much what I was aiming for. Just gonna increase that by much more. Like 5 and have only 1. And I don't know, like 0.5. This. Oh, and maybe the plus 5 has to be here. Plus 3 was good. So the X position is correct, should be like around 6. So position.x is equal, let's say -6. Position.z run the E range. I don't know, between -6 to 3. Something like between 2 and 5. Yeah, that 2 is fine. By default, I think. Okay, sphere, triangle, and we need like... Oh, we're moving to the other stream. Let's move to the other stream. Be careful, might have a sound jump scare. Maybe not, because I actually muted, so... Maybe it's just slightly too fast. Yeah, what about 510? Here. Okay, so triangle. Okay, we'll have this bone actually, which is kind of good. This can go in enemy. And inverted as well. You extend from enemy, so you have it. Don't lie to me. Inverted. Yes. Triangle. That's sphere. Now let's make a third enemy, which is gonna be the square. Mesh instant 3D. Let's add a collision chain. And have it as a square. Let's see what we can have in there, which we can within that square. Maybe. I was thinking I wanted a triangle to rotate on their y-axis. Okay. And the square, they will rotate, so they will not have this sinus thing. It will actually be a bit slower. Like 2, 5. Let's have like... What if they have like 10 spheres? They have 1. Let's go 5. And triangle. Okay, triangle. The same square. Oh no. Come back, square. We're gonna have a double rotation. It's rotation dot x plus equal delta movement speed. Oh, that's probably too fast because of how it works. But we'll see that with the triangle. Oh no, that's actually very good. So let's, what if we add a square? What's a man? Well, I'm super late on the 1 hour game jam because, well, I was experimenting a lot. I'm doing something like I never did before. Like this kind of game is like super new to me. So we're close to the end. And yeah. Now I think it's just a question of finding a way to correctly find this to make sure that the figures do spawn regularly on screen, that we have a timer. Let's actually need the timer right now. Clock, spectre, 30 seconds, that would be good. And then world, yeah, that's just a question of, it's the manning does. The square is like just rotating way too much. Like it's not, oh yeah, that's a little bit better. It has to be slow. Square. Has to be slow. You love watching her 1 hour jams. You never entered one. Well, there's only 5 left. So if you want to enter one, you'll have to do that soon. Okay, so let's remove those nodes and create a spawner method. So this is gone. Let's create the scenes. Okay, so sphere scene. And a square. So I don't even know what she made as a game. Like, I can barely see right now. It's muted. I don't understand much, but she's pushing someone in a void. Interesting. Right, the bar, sphere. Actually, I don't really care about sphere. Instantiate. No, spawn there. Sphere scene. Enemies. Dot shine. Sphere. And that's it. We're gonna split triangle. So her game is about pushing people? Wow. Should we say, yeah, that's a game. But yeah. So you get point for pushing? Oh, because... Is it because you don't, like, push them, and instead, like, they fall because you kind of dump them with your mind? Initially, in my game, I wanted to have, like, a kind of projectile thrown at the figures, but I couldn't figure out how to make that. Function, stone, square. Variable, square. Square scene, instantiate. Okay, so now it's a question of creating 3 spawners. Create timer. We're gonna wait, run, get tree. Not create timer. Well, we're gonna spawn a sphere first. We spawn sphere. Gonna wait. Create timer of, I don't know, a run die. Run the F range between 1, 2, 3 seconds. Do dot timeout. And we're gonna really create sphere timer again. Triangle timer. Wait, get tree. Creating the timer. That was around the French. Spawn triangle. Okay. Function. Oh, that's wrong. We're just gonna make this square, I mean. Oh wait, get create timer. And we're gonna spawn square. All right. So here, sphere timer, triangle timer. Oh wait, it's gonna be actually. Oh, I need threads. I don't know how to make threads. Okay. We can fix this. We can fix this. Well, do you want to create a script, please? Yes. Is overscoping a superpower? It's not really overscoping. Like, it is... I mean, I lost like 30 minutes trying to figure out something I didn't know how to do. And anyway, I did plan from the get-go that I would go chill and definitely take time after the jam. But yeah, right there, like, I'm using 3D nodes, you know that something's wrong. This should be fine with the get parent. So if I go here, grab this guy, triangle timer, I do the same thing. By the way, the sphere thing should... yeah. Yes, it calls itself. Let's go. Oh, the others do not. That's why. Okay. So what here, we can get rid of that. I think we should be good. This should spawn indefinitely some things. Oh, not. Yes, there's no game. Why did I did click outside. Okay, we're getting better. So maybe I can go with shorter timers sliding. Sphere. I mean, timers are in the world. So 1, 2. Triangle can go 7, 4. Oh no, that's the... Well, anyway. Yes, that's good. 2, 4. Ah. And now it's just a question of adding the power that I wanted to add initially. Power up. Okay. Oh yes, score. Score. So the score is superior or equal to 5. I won't have... Yeah, that's kind of... I mean, that goes pretty fast. I don't know, 150? 5? Let's go with 10. Oh. Power is inferior to 3. Okay. And we need a kind of power-up signal. Actually, I'm going to do this. Okay, that's kind of... That's not going to be used, but anyway. So we're going to add a audio stream player. You never tried anything 3D yet, besides basic character movements. But you tend to stick to 2D. Well, that's... yeah. For some reason, I sometimes feel like 3D is simpler in some aspects. And there are things 3D are simpler and things 2D are simpler. Like, you know, like the Y sorting, you don't do that in 3D. That's cool. So let's bring those trusty sounds. I mean, I literally take time to color my folder. If that's not the definition of chilling during a jam. Where are we? Pew, let's go. So we have the pew and we have the bonk. So I technically don't know how much people can make score. So that will be the surprise. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. I want to put it here. Is it actually a game if the folders are not put in? No, it's not a game. It's direction trash bin. Where do we have errors? Probably an old thing. So anyway, play bonk. That's here actually. Okay, maybe we can add some just in case. If score is superior or equal to 2. Maybe we can increase the power slightly more. Nah, that's like recreating the. That's 5, 6. Maybe I need to nerf the triangle health. Yes. Not 25. Let's say that if you have 2, 3, 15. I'm gonna try 15. Now they are worth 100 points. So that's a lot of points actually. Yeah. Okay, 10 is gonna be the end. We just need to get that play bonk. Do we put a background music actually? Because I know that Liz do accepts like YouTube Studio Creator musics. She does accept that. So maybe we can add this just for fun. What is that? Base class for audio stream. Yes. Oh, we need the path? Yes, slightly. So let's see, what do we have? I really like this one. Let's see. Can I bring it like this? Yes. I just hope it's not too loud. Maybe here I can change the volume. Oh, here. Okay, let's see. Let's actually stop this one. Okay, so we'll need to test the sound. Script. Can we say to loop playing? No, but autoplay. Yes. Can say to autoplay, and can we say to loop? Wait, what? I can't. I can't set it to loop. Oh, that's not nice. Super not nice. Maybe it's because this is the guy looping. Yes. That's why. Let's make it to minus 15, I don't know. But it means that the other guys have to be like, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna warn you. Well, I will decrease my OBS sound just to be sure that I don't melt your ears. But I will have like, I don't know. Game. It should be nice if the music would start when you start the game here. We make the pew. We're missing the pew. We're missing the pew. This has some vibes, definitely. Spheres, no, enemy, damaged. You need more pew, you definitely need more pew. We're gonna go with we need the pew first. So if you were here last week, you may know that story. But if you were not, then maybe Liz will explain it. Oh, those triangles are actually... Yes, I can make them way tankier than this. Let's see. I was thinking 3 initially. 25. 10. Because those squares are supposed to be the tanks. All right. Now it's just a question of writing those informations, right? Game over. Back to instructions. Okay. Instruction panel. Instructions here. All right. So also maybe the first score thresholds are a little bit low. So some polygon. I have trouble finding good instructions. Some polygon are tougher. It can take time. Can be long. Well, destroying them can be difficult. Destroy weak objects to get more power first. Or don't get distracted and destroy weak objects first. Or don't get distracted and do not miss weak polygons, as they provide valuable experience to level up. Oh, is that too long? I don't know. Eventually. Is this... Oh, I actually didn't even check the text. I'm so bad. Yes. That's good. Okay, so the music has to be slightly less, or maybe I can just bring those guys back. Okay, so what if those go to 0? And about the, yes, I gotta be careful with those windowed, resizable no, stretch to viewport, aspect keep. I think that's it. I don't know. I'm not super familiar with this kind of camera games. Okay, we keep the ratio, so that's cool. Just gonna check the... Oh, that's... Okay. Alright, we should be good. We should be good. So now we export this. We export this, and we are ready to go. So export... HTML5. Oh, I hope there's no problem because I'm on beta 4. Yep. I knew that. So, wait a second. I can download this. All right, extract. While I'm doing that, maybe I can open this. So Godot. I'm gonna go in B44, new folder, exports, new zip file, jam 25 to 21. Okay, good. The project export. What? Export templates. Download. Download and install. So using the 4.4 version for jams is a no-no. I mean, yes, eventually, but maybe not the one from today. Because I think this version was released like between my first and my second stream. Or at least after my first stream, so less than 4 hours ago. Oh wow, this last byte is the longest ever. There's literally not, they don't have it. Like the last byte is not on their website. We have to deal without it. Are we good actually? No, we're not good. No, we're not. Finally. Okay, close. We have to steal this. Let's lose more time. Oh. So export project. Index. Oh, should I export with debug? I don't remember. Losing time equals superpower. It is the best. Oh, by the way, we're musicless now. Let's bring that up. What did I do? No, that's not what I had to do. I don't know. I'm breaking everything. Yeah, let's highlight this. It's gonna be fine. I was exporting. Export. So, as far as I remember, this... This has to go there. And HIO. Alright, HIO. Yes, I just want to edit this. Edit. Channel, restatus, blah blah blah, upload file. It's documents, Godot 4.4. Oh wait, where is the thing you're supposed to check when you put a Godot game? Like the array buffer thing. It's not here anymore. There's no AI. I think we're good. Actually, let's make it public. We have no image. We have no image. Do I care to make one? I will make one. Oh, and I completely lost the chat. but that's fine. Wow, this is so white. I am in a ghost mode, actually, but looks like I have some marks. Guys, we're gonna save this. Okay. And I'm gonna bring sound down to make sure. Test this. View page. Is there a game here? No, it's not download. It is a play. HTML. Oh, maybe that's why there wasn't the... Yeah. Size. Godot, what's the size? I don't remember. 1152 648. Yeah, easier to remember this way. It should be good. Save. And check buffer. Okay, good. Save. View page. Yes, very good. Oh. I'm thinking maybe like a cooldown on the attack. I'm not gonna put a cooldown, like... Yeah, we don't really care. I think we're good. Okay. It's time to go... Okay. Music be back. And it's time to move to the other stream, actually. So I will link little stream in the... Wait, that's different. I will link Liza's stream in the description here. I don't know if there are people actually, so just in case. Oh well, if there are people who watch like the review. Why am I lost? Okay, there it is. But where's Liz? Oh, there she is. There she's here. So I'm gonna bring that. Yes. Oh no, that's probably just you, but I mean. Let's go. So we're moving to Liz, so I'm gonna disappear. And yeah, I will see you over there.